guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going for a short spin, only 20k. That's not bad. Just out of work. It's 5:15. It's quite cold, but let's go. Fucking hell, this is not easy, guys. Guys, I have one gear left. I love when that happens. You know, sometimes you're like, oh, I have one gear left, and there's nothing. That wasn't the case. Let's do it. Let's keep going. We're almost at the bridge. Who's been here before? No. Once you get to the bridge, it just gets worse. Nah, it actually gets better. We're gonna go up there in a second. The trees are kind of away, and this fucking sign out as well. But once you get here, especially if you keep it going that way, you can see the whole city. But where we're going to, we're going back that way. Look at this nature, that's just fascinating. And this is like 10k from home. It's been like, what, half an hour cycle. The only thing is, it's really cold. My own is 81 degrees. So, it's almost freezing temperatures. That's not what I signed for. For God's sake, I need the summer. But look, at least we're on the climbs. Keeps it warm. But my feet are cold already, and I think it's gonna get a lot worse there. We're gonna start descending in a very, very little. I'll have to stop. Let me put up my jacket. What's that? Poison lady. Wow, poison lady, did you see that? Wow. Ooh, disgusting. Ooh. Alright. So, fuck, now I get serious. Back here, it's Dublin. Right, last climb of the day. It's not steep at all. I'm gonna climb it up and prepare myself, go down. Quite safe. I have to be careful, it's a bit wet and I'm a bit nervous. Let's see what happens. So back in the city. Look, if you like to, you enjoy. There you go. If you liked, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, give us a subscribe. That really helps the channel to grow, and I hope to have more contents like this and better. weekly, constantly. Who knows, gonna stop here, get my camera, because it's quite busy with cars, you know yourself, the city. But look, thank you for watching, and see you next time.